Hi guys, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. I'm here to show you a kit that I got and how to make it. So it is, see, here's my sign. It's really me. So let's move that out of the way. So I got this Anna Griffin Springtime Shaker Card Kit and I received it through HSN. And so let's show you what's in it. Let's see if it says how many pieces. 30 beautiful shaker cards. So you can make 30, but it doesn't say how many pieces. So let's dive in, see what's inside. Um, you get your envelopes. You get the inside saying, and it's already pre-cut out. Wishing you love, laughter, and happiness is some of them. May the gift of springtime cause you much delight, and the warmth of the sun make your path bright. Sending love, luck, and good blessings to you. I thought there was a birthday one. This is Easter. But yeah, there's just different sayings. Wishing you love, laughter, happiness. I think that's what I said on the first one. So let's see what else is in here. You get the cards, and I didn't know this because I've made a couple. These are already pre-glued. You peel off. They're stickers. You peel them off and use them. So here is some butterfly ones. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. And then you get to the four-leaf clover, which it doesn't say anything about St. Patrick's Day. It just says spring and everything. So it is very usable all the way around. Let's put that back in. So, and here's the shaker cards. And I thought, that's not going to be a lot of stuff inside. But once you put it together and there's so many other layers and they're sealed, it does work out quite nicely. So, and here is the sentiments, the birthday for you, and just different sentiments you get, quite a bit. Here's the eggs in all different kind of colors, and the rabbits are already sticky on the back, and there's different colors and everything. So there's a lot to play with this. So there's the rabbit to go on the rabbit shaker card, and same thing as the butterfly and all the different beautiful butterfly pieces. And let's see, these are the actual leftover, and they're stickers, and they're the leftovers that I use, so you'll be able to use that on another project. Here is the four-leaf clover, and I didn't like that color, so I stuck it back on here to reuse it another time. But see all the stuff with the four-leaf clover and the different colors. I'm trying to rush because I wanted to make a card for you and show you my cards. They do give you a sample and instructions. So let's move this out of the way. And then here is even extra little die cuts that you can use. There's a lot of bows, and there's a lot of flowers. There's arrows, and there's gold pieces of butterflies and four-leaf clovers and flowers, and there's just a lot of goodies. So this actually goes in this package. So that's what you get in the card set kit. Here's some of the cards I made. So this topper went on here, and remember how I showed you in the cut, and see how I thought it's not going to give you enough shaker, but look at the dimension of that. See how many layers of dimension it is and how raised it is. So it's actually really a pretty card. There's gold, there's green. It's a really pretty card. And I didn't even put happy birthday, didn't put a sentiment, because I thought, you know, whoever gets this can use it the way they want. Here is one that says somebody loves you as a bunny and a butterfly. And I just hot glued it right there and raised this. And then the three-dimensional eggs. And then this one does say in Easter, wishing you a joyous Easter and a delightful spring. So this one would be Easter. And here's the other card. This one I did put have a very happy birthday. I am going to get a little piece of ribbon and put through that hole, but then I used three-dimensional pop dots to raise this, and here's the little butterfly, and sending love, luck, good blessings to you, but I put happy birthday, but you know, it could go for so much stuff. But yeah, here's the sticker card. So let's make one real fast, okay? So look at that. So I use these. So let's get busy. I like to go ahead and use this tape right here just to hold the shaker card part down, even though something's going to go on top of it. So you get the shaker card, it's all sealed, and I put it right here. And it doesn't have a lot of air or anything in it, so it works real well. So then you pop the butterfly sticker out, and you'll use that on another project. And see how it has the gold? And this is already sticky, and so that's a lot of sticky. I've never used it like this. The other three I used my tape runner and left the sticky on there and didn't even realize it was a sticker. So let's just get this lined up closest. Well, I don't put it on the score. I line it up this way. I line it up on this edge. There we go. And burnish that down. I think that's the word I never can remember. So there's the card right there. You could be done with that card and just sign it, and people would think that's amazing. But let's layer it up even more. So this is also a sticker, and we'll save the yellow inside butterfly for another project too. And we'll take and get this off. Let's see if I can get right up underneath it and pull air in it. Yes, pull air and pull that off. Let's see. Let's line this up as good as we can and not cover up too much of the gold, because the gold really does help and make it look nice. Burnish, is that the right word that I always forget? Here I am trying to remember that again. So there we go. And I already have pop dots on this, so let's take this off. It's a beautiful day here. The temperature has been about 74 for the past couple of days, so that's been nice. So I think I'm going to put that. I don't want it hanging over because I want my envelope to not get snagged. So let's just do this one. Trying to get some work done. And my craft room will work cleaning. And I thought, you know, let me make a show and tell like I'm in 4-H again in 4th grade. And let's put this one, let's see, how do we want this one? Something like that. And the butterfly, I just turn the wings up, and I have just that little square, and I like to use Charlie and put a little glue here, and let's put him here. It kind of hides a little bit of that ending on that flower, the stem. And let's put a bow. Let's see, do we want to dimensionalize the bow or just leave it like that? I think I'm going to leave it like that, actually, because I just want to be quick for y'all and give you ideas. Actually, I am going to raise it. So I'm going to put it on, let's see, what side? It goes on this side to put some pop dots. Let's just do a couple of them and they'll be raised. And if not, when I'm done with this video, I'll go and clean it up. But I think you get the gist. So we're going to I'm going to put it on the end of that, let it go like that, and put it right there. So that's raised. And then this right here, put the sentiment maybe right in the middle. So, and I'm not going to raise this. I'm just going to put it, see how you could set it right there? But I want to put it right in the center, just like that. So look how quick and easy these kits from Anna Griffin are. Are they not the prettiest things? I just love her kits. You just can't go wrong. If you are a beginner card maker, I would suggest that this is the way that you go, because it is so super quick and easy and you can't go wrong on any of her kits. And if you never know for sure how to make one of her kits, then just watch one of the videos. There's tons out there, I'm sure, but like me, I'm making a video on it on, okay, this is how you do it. And it kind of takes all the worry, scaredness away. So guys, you never know when I'm going to make a video. I really didn't know I was going to make one today. So hit that little bell right down there, and then you know when I'm going to make a quick little video. I have all my links down below that tells you all about me and how you can find me. So if you want to join my Glue Gun Chronicles group, please join, and I would be happy to have you. It's a very loving group, and thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me. Have a blessed day. Bye, everyone.